Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and they are having trouble getting rid of these parts even after they trace it. So for the one I'm doing it for, I made it really small. Well, it's not real small. It's a little over 4 inches. And I'm going to and I've got my nudge factor set on 6. So I'm going to grab the image or select it. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Clip Art. And it's quite detailed, so it's going to take a little bit of time. And part of those little dots are part of the drawing, so we have to deal with them. Can't really remove the color like we normally do. And I'm going to say okay, and I'm going to move it over. So it traced it really good. Now it's a semi-vector file, but it's got these yellow dots that they don't want in the picture. So what you have to do now is select it, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it, and then select one of those yellow colors, and any of them, and then go up to Edit, Find and Replace, and go down to From Selection, and when you hit Find All, it'll find all those little yellow dots if they're the same color, and then hit Delete. And it deleted all those little dots. And it's a pretty sharp graphic. I would clean up some of the, little parts. You could take the shape tool and like delete that node and make that, and you could change the width and the color and do anything you want to with it and clean it up a little bit. But that's how to remove a color. And we were just fortunate that all those little yellow dots were the same color. And as you can see, there were quite a few of them, and they don't even look like they're the same color. But it did remove all. And we could always check it by selecting it all. Well, we don't have to do that. And go to View in Wireframe, and you can actually see that there's nothing there but those. Well, I'm guessing there's little dots in there, but they're in the color of the flower. Go back to Enhance, and they're gone. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.